I'm going to show you the unboxing and a review of the Kobalt 80v max brushless self-propelled lawnmower that I purchased a couple of days ago. But as you can see, this is battery operated, so you need no gas or oil. And if you would like to purchase one of these, you can look in the description below. Also, if you would like to get an extra battery. But I'm gonna show you what's in the box when you purchase this. And it's really simple to put together. And right here you have the bag for catching the grass, you have the charger, and you have the 80-volt battery. And it's not that heavy. I would guess probably 40-50 pounds, maybe a little heavier. But if you look in the description or in the details, it'll tell you the weight of it. But this is all that comes in the box. So I'm gonna give you a close look at the battery. And this is a kind of heavy battery. And you take this battery and you slide it, line everything up, and it'll click into place. Once it locks into place, you want to plug it up, and I'd say charge it for about 2 hours until fully charged. As you can see, it's blinking, that means it's charging. And when the light turns solid green, that means it's fully charged. And if you would like to test and see what the capacity is right now, you just push this button and let it go. And you see that's about 35% charge. And push it again, let you see. So it is charging. So 2 hours later, you notice that it's a solid green light. That means it is fully charged. And if you want to test it, you just come here in the front and you push this button. And you should have 3 solid lights. So this battery is fully charged now. So I'm gonna show you how to assemble this lawnmower. It's really simple to do. So what you want to do is release this little bracket here, and it snaps into place. Then you unscrew these tabs here, and it's 2 on each side. And you want to put the little hooks on. And once you get them into place, you just tighten them up. And again, if you would like to purchase this lawnmower, just look in the description below. Next, what you want to do is raise this, and you want to take this little cap off. And this right here, if you're not using a bag, you could put this on. It just slips on, really simple. But I'm gonna be putting the bag on to do the mowing. So to put the bag on, just raise up the flap, and it sits right in spot. Now let's put the battery in. And just line everything up. It's like you used on a battery charger. And you slide it, and you hear it click in the spot. So it's clicked in. I'm just testing it here, so it's fully charged. And once you do that, I'm gonna show you how to operate this. You need no gas or oil, it's just battery. So this, if you want to adjust, we're gonna put ours on, mine on 2 or 3. Right here in the summer, I think 2 is too low, so we're gonna try it 3. And to start it, the only thing you wanna do is pull this lever right here, and you'll see the battery lights come on, and just push the start button and let it go. That's it. Really simple. You're ready to mow now. Or you can hit the start button, and while you're holding the start button, you can pull this lever and it'll start up also. And I'm gonna show you the speed. That's the slow right there. And you just hit this button, and that's pretty fast on slow. So I'm gonna back it up, and we're gonna put it on the fast, the rapid. And you push the button, and this thing moves. So that's all to it, how to start it, and you're ready to cut. Like I said, no gas, oil are needed. So let's give it a try. Man, it cuts really, really smooth. And I got it on slow right now. You can speed this up and no struggle or anything. I really like this lawnmower. It just costs a little bit more than the gas and oil one, but I say it's worth every penny. You know, you just hit the button and start mowing. And this thing said it would mow for about an hour, but I'm gonna give it a try tomorrow, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut the front yard and see what it would do. And this, like I said, this is on the slow side of it. It cuts real smooth. Doesn't leave any grass hanging. It cuts every blade. So I'm gonna go over here on the thicker area over here and just see what it would do. And when it get in this thicker grass, the motor actually speeds up the blade. So it senses any struggles and it speeds up. Pretty awesome. You can see how it's cutting through the grass with no problem. So I made a good investment on this. I was gonna get the gas and pay about $300, but I paid about $600 for this, $650, and it's worth every penny. So the lawn guy, he charges me $40 to cut my grass. So if I cut my grass 15 times, it will pay for itself. And I won't be cutting it. I'm gonna get my son to do the cutting. So it'll pay for itself the first year. And as you can see, it's cutting through this high grass with no problem. No struggles. And the speed, I got it on slow. So if I put it on a faster speed, I probably could cut it twice as fast. It's a great investment. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like after I finish cutting. And the reason why I'm doing it myself, because my lawn guy, he brought some kind of fungus from another yard and put it here in my yard, because he cut a few other people's yards, and whenever you do that, sometimes you bring whatever bacteria the other people have in their yard and put it in on mine. So I'm cutting it myself. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.